Well, hello viewers. Today I have another figure. Another Demon Slayer figure from Bandai BANPRESTO of Agatsuma Zenitsu. This is the Grandista line. And this figure is pretty huge. It's pretty big. Alright, so let's take a closer look of Zenitsu Agatsuma. They call him, was it Lightning Boy? Thunder Boy? Alright. Yeah, so the figure from this line is pretty big. The Grandista. So, alright, let's unbox it. One, two, three. Right. Okay, off the bat. It's pretty big. Let's put this on the floor. Alright, so this is the stand. Put that right there. And let's take them out. Yeah, he's a pretty big figure. Look at that. Look at the size of Zenitsu. Alright, let's take him out. Alright. Let's take this thing off of him. Right, and now we have Zenitsu. Wow, that's pretty big. That's a pretty big Zenitsu. And look at the size of him. He's about 9.5 inches. All right, so we gotta put the stand. All right, we're gonna put down him. Let's see, does it go to his right foot? Nope, doesn't go to his right foot. All right, let's try his left foot. No, actually, this is his left foot. My apologies. This is his right foot. Let's see if we go to his right foot. Oh, man. All right, so there's nothing I can do. It won't go all the way in because the way they sculpt this, the way they sculpt the stand, it doesn't really go in smoothly to go in his foot. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, the way it is, like that, which is still okay. All right, there you go. Zenitsu from Demon Slayer. All right, so let's put him in the rotation. Not a bad looking figure for 25 bucks, 24.99. You know, this figure is pretty big. You know, it's pretty huge. So this will make a nice gift or a nice present to people who are a fan of Demon Slayer, who are Zenitsu fanboy. This is a nice, lovely figure for 25 bucks. Not bad. And it's pretty big too. It's 9.5 inches tall. Right, let's put him right there in all his glory. Should put him like this. No, I should bring him a little bit closer. All right, I mean, you know, there's not much I can say about this figure other than that it's very affordable. Of Zenitsu Agatsuma figure is 9.5 inches tall, and for 25 bucks, might as well pick it up. From BANPRESTO, the Grandista line. Is it Grandista or Grandista? Yeah, from that line. It's from, let me show you one more time though. It's from this line, the Grandista line. And like I said, you know, very affordable. 25 bucks, 24.99. Nice figure. Better than Pop Funko. And yeah. Thanks for watching.